watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
Enjoying dynamite weather, that was the name of the game today. Tomorrow things change for us. We won't see nearly as much sunshine, in fact hardly any at all. And you can see behind me we've got precip on the way. We've had as much as an inch reported total snow here for parts of Iowa. Notice this band of precip though, it's pretty narrow. There's not a ton of moisture to work with here, but one thing that will continue to happen, as this rain snow line continues to sink southward, cold air is filtering in, so this precip, as it marches toward West Michigan, will eventually transition to all snow, but it should be pretty light. Track this for you so you can get an idea that this is going to be impacting us right around the time we drive to work tomorrow. This is to the lakeshore here, 6-7 hours from now to 1:31, 7 or 8 hours, and so that means it's going to commence roughly the time we head to work and school, but impacts should be pretty light. I'll get into that in more detail in just a sec. First, I want to show you what's going on out there right now. Temperatures, as promised, have cooled down to around the freezing mark. We might drop a couple more degrees, but temperatures will be fairly steady, but below freezing. That means when snow hits the ground, it will slowly start to accumulate here tomorrow morning. Winds out of the southeast right now, they're going to shift around to the southwest and continue to be pretty breezy here through the day tomorrow. So we know the clouds have already overtaken West Michigan. It's mostly cloudy in most spots right now. 6 a.m. temperatures just below freezing, cold enough for stuff to stick to the ground if we had snow, but by daybreak, that's about the time it's going to start to move into West Michigan. You notice once I click the pause button after 6 a.m., that snow pushes in pretty quickly. Now by lunchtime, noontime, we're already climbing, and those temperatures are going to cause the snow to transition over to light rain. See the green here in the afternoon. Again, precip totals not expecting much in terms of total snowfall from this event, and this is what falls, not what actually sticks to the ground and remains. I think most of it's going to melt tomorrow. Less than 1 inch in most locations here across West Michigan. But the thing you have to keep in mind, the timing of this is going to be such that it could slow down the drive to work just a little bit with some slick spots on the roadways. So when we have the light snow coming tomorrow, but then things will warm up and that's going to change over to rain. Some slick roads, a possibility, especially for the drive to work tomorrow morning. Not much coming here on Wednesday, a flurry or a sprinkle at best. And then coming Thursday, I should say, another batch of rain mixed with snow. Then cooler air moves in for Friday and Saturday. This is going to give us a better chance for snow that's going to stick to the ground. I could see some lake effect snow coming in here for Friday and Saturday. So, again, guys, the bottom line on tomorrow is that it looks like we will get some snow. I suspect some of it's going to stick to the ground, and that could slow down the drive to work just a little bit, but I don't see this being a high-impact event. The best thing probably to do, check out Daybreak tomorrow morning. Terry and Laura will be here, and they're going to have the latest with road updates, also what's going on radar-wise.
Yeah.
Okay.
Check them out.
All we need to know.
Get the skinny.
Thank you.
Thanks, Kyle.